In this video, I'll be showing you the Da-Hyun method for solving the S2L on your Megaminx, and this is a slight variation on the Westland method. So this next method for solving the S2L on the Megaminx is known as the Da-Hyun method, named after Da-Hyun, who is a former Megaminx world record holder. This method is very similar to the Westland approach, except the main difference is that we don't end up with the grey face as our last layer. So we don't end up with the opposite colour to our F2L as our last layer. So the start of the S2L is exactly the same as the Westland method. So what we'll do is solve two edges, like that, and then go ahead and fill in these F2L slots. And then again, we will also go ahead and solve another cross star and F2L adjacent to this first star and F2L that we've done as part of our S2L. So here we'll go and do the purple. So I've inserted this pair and then insert these two. So we've done the yellow and the purple as per normal. And then the main difference is that instead of continuing around our Megaminx, around this white layer and going ahead and solving the green star and F2L, what we'll do is actually look at the two stars and F2L colors that we've built and build the next star and F2L directly on top of that. So after finishing this purple, what the Da-Hyun method is to go ahead and solve the orange star and F2L. And notice that when we're solving this orange star and F2L, we're actually using this grey face here. So this grey layer won't end up as our last layer. So let's go ahead and solve that pair. And then this pair. So after doing that, we will have solved the yellow, purple and orange star and F2Ls, and now we're up to the last two faces. So we're going to have pink as our top layer in this solve, which isn't actually directly opposite the white face. We would solve the second last face in the same way. So I'd go ahead, insert this edge, and then solve these two pieces down there to create an edge corner edge block, and then solve these pairs in that slot and that slot, and now we're up to our last layer.